In this video, I'd like to talk about cut vinyl banners. A cut vinyl banner is when you are applying a cut vinyl to banner material you've taken from a roll. If we look at this product within an estimate or an order, the first thing we have is the quantity of banners being ordered, whether it's a single or double-sided, the height and the width of this banner, the vinyl plotter, and the complexity of the vinyl being applied. This complexity can be defined as either a simple cut, a standard cut, or a more complex cut, which will both affect the cut time and the weeding time of the vinyl. Then you can choose what type of banner you're putting it on, and then what type of vinyl and what color of vinyl. The percentage of fill that is being applied, an additional color, and whether that is a shadow or an outline of the first one. If application tape is being applied or being used in the application of this vinyl, and if you need to add more than 3 colors of vinyl, which is the more colors, and add up to 3 more. Next we get into finishing, where you'll have your edge treatments such as webbing, your installation methods such as Velcro, magnetics, double-sided tapes, etc. Does it require grommets? If so, what type of grommet? And how far are they spaced? If it needs hems and pockets, what kind of hem? Or you could choose custom and manually enter the hem size. What kind of seamer is being used? And if any wind slits are required. Once we've chosen the finishing options, the layout data is just if you have any gaps, margins, or overlapping materials. The add-ons, again, your user add-ons are just questions that can be added to any product. Your notes on work order will only print on work orders, whereas your banner description will print on estimates, invoices, and work orders. The last tab is just the Info tab to tell you how many can fit up and across on this particular material. In this situation where we're doing 4 32 by 76 is on a 37-inch roll, we have very little scrap because they all will print next to each other for a linear 24 linear feet of roll material. That concludes our video on cut vinyl banners. If you have further questions, please review all of the videos on control or call our implementation department. Thank you.